Hi guys, this is Alvin from west coast of Norway. I think we have some really bad weather coming in. Listen. Just behind those houses is the Atlantic Ocean. Okay, I'm gonna put up my camera here. Stabilize it. Maybe we can catch some lightning. Oh, wow! Camera. Oh, that's close. "30 years ago, when I went to the forest with my dog, we was surprised by a really big storm coming in with thunderbolts and fireballs because we was under the electrician. Oh, here we go. And I was so charged after dancing with these fireballs for ages, and the heart was beating so hard I could feel it on my chest, and I could see it beat on my chest. And for years after, I was so charged. I had healing effects, I could heal people, I disturbed television and so on. I could fix noisy machine, took off by the ears. So maybe that's what nature wants for me, to charge me up so I can use the healing more. I love being a healer. That's my destiny. It's Gaia's way to clean up. I love the forces of the nature. Thank you.